Hi beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make these amazing, delicious, healthy banana and apple smoothies. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you, and please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. And always remember, health is wealth. So guys, keep watching and let's get started.